Hey, it's Paul with RackAttack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2016 through 2021 and likely beyond Mazda CX-9 with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Clamp foot pack set of 4, and then you have the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2 in either black or silver, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the critical components necessary to fit this particular vehicle. Let's go ahead and show these parts up close. So here we have the rubberized metal door frame bracket. You'll get 4 of these, as well as 4 rubber base pads that contour to the roof line of the vehicle. So you'll notice that this one in particular has a number associated to it, as well as the door frame bracket has a number. Those numbers correspond to the instruction sheet that's included with the system. Let's go ahead and install these components onto one of the feet. We'll just take off that cover. Here you'll notice we've already applied the decal to determine that this will be for the front left position. So to begin the installation, we just flip it upside down, and then we press the rubber to the underside. Around the perimeter, it'll grip. And then this assembly, we just insert the door frame bracket. It will click into place, indicating it's secured into position. And then you'll notice there are these silver tabs. When you press those silver tabs, that will release a top lever that holds the load bar into place. Let's go ahead and show you that load bar up close. This is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. Here we've cut this bar down so that we can show the cross section. This is a sophisticated box beam construction with a dedicated track along the top. So in use, that track can be accessed by flipping the end cap open, and you can slide certain hardware within this track to hold certain accessories such as bicycle carriers or ski carriers directly on top of the bar, thereby giving you the full length of the bar to attach those carriers to and giving you a very clean integrated attachment method. So when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, you'll notice we have a track here. To access that track, we need to take off the end cap entirely. And then we also have this measuring device. This has numbers, and those numbers correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheet for the vehicle. So you would put this sliding device along the number that corresponds to what's provided in the instructions, and then you can go ahead and slide the foot into place. So to do that, we just press on those tabs and then insert the foot through the track, and then you'll bring it down to the point at which it touches that predetermined location there. Okay, next you notice we have an exposed area of track there that we want to fill with rubber that's provided to maintain the aerodynamics of this system. And the rubber is included, and you just press that rubber into place, thereby maintaining your aerodynamics. Okay, then we can go ahead and put our end cap into place. Just press that where it was. And then we have a tool that's included with the system, and this tool has a unique handle. So as you get to the point where it's fully tightened, this handle will click, indicating that it's completely tightened to its predetermined torque rating. Okay, then lastly, we've got a cover here that we put back into place. Just snaps into place. This plastic plug, just give that a quarter turn. That'll hold this cover into place. Now you do have an option to replace that plastic plug with an actual metal lock cylinder. A metal lock cylinder, they're sold in sets of 4 so that you can lock all 4 of these towers, and you'll only need one key in order to access those. You can also buy these in sets of 6 and 8 and beyond in order to have other accessories all key matched, working off of all just on one key. Okay, so those are all the key features for this Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the Mazda CX-9 with a bare roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for links back to this product pre-configured at rackattack.com to make a simple purchase. If you need additional assistance and overview for the complete install, we also have a link that will take you to a more in-depth video showing how the system installs onto a vehicle. Thanks for watching.